We have now reached a part of April 2020 increasingly regarded as iPhone SE 2 week. However, this has not stopped the new Apple Watch rumors coming thick and fast. They now point to a new form of authentication for this device, as well as the ability to detect anxiety as well as blood oxygen levels in the user. There may also be new case variants in the offing. It is now the 16th week of 2020, one widely accepted among leakers as the one in which the much-hyped iPhone SE 2, or 9, is projected to launch, which, in turn, causes the scheduling of OnePlus's and Honor's own impending debuts to make even more sense. However, consumers are still equally ready for the Cupertino company's new wearable as well. This device is probably to be called the Apple Watch Series 6, a product with which the rumor mill is not yet done. A new round of putative details on the same have been presented in a new video on the Everything Apple YouTube channel. Some have come via the XDA's Max Weinbach, although others are exclusively revealed here via another leaker, the Verifier. This new collection of tips indicate that the new underwater mode, patented earlier by Apple for next-gen iPhones, is also coming to the watch. The wearables line is also now touted to get Touch ID, which has gone missing from its last few mobile devices. This spec may come either baked directly into the wearable's screen, incorporated into its button-like crown, or in a completely new touch-sensitive area that replaces this component. The new Apple Watch 6 leak video also corroborates an earlier rumor concerning a new blood oximetry sensor for the wrist-borne accessory. However, its health tracking features are also now expected to go even further. It will incorporate new tech rated to detect increased anxiety in the user. This may even trigger the generation of stress management technique coaching on this device on the onset of a panic attack. Therefore, the Apple Watch 6 may be prepared to help the user work on their mental as well as their cardiorespiratory health in the future. In addition, Everything Apple video hints at a more cost-effective, yet still durable, SKU for this watch. Its case may be made of a new ceramic-enriched plastic composite rather than the usual higher-end materials. However, not all the putative news may be good to all ears. It seems watchOS 7 may drop support for the second-gen watch, whereas it has been updated faithfully up to this point. In addition, those hoping for a new form factor in the Series 6 may be disappointed. The latest renders on this upcoming upgrade show no further design tweaks than an increased roundedness to screen corners and possibly improved display-to-front panel ratios. The Apple Watch 6 also could drop one of the wearable's most defining features: the digital crown. A newly discovered Apple patent shows a design for an on-body optical sensor, which would sit flush with the watch case and eliminate the need for a protruding physical button. While this change would take some getting used to for longtime Apple Watch users, it could lead to a sleeker Apple Watch 6 and may even reduce the likelihood that you'll perform accidental inputs while putting clothes on or working out. There's no telling if this feature will arrive in time for the Apple Watch 6 or any Apple Watch at all, but it would be a significant change, similar to Apple dropping the home button in 2017's iPhone X. The Apple Watch 5 currently starts at $399 for the GPS-only model and $499 for the GPS plus cellular variation. Apple has employed this pricing structure for several years now, so we don't expect it to change much for the Apple Watch 6. What's less clear is what will happen to the lower end of Apple's watch lineup. The Apple Watch Series 3 currently sits as Apple's budget option, starting at $199 for GPS and $299 for cellular. It's possible that the Series 3 will get an even steeper price cut, with the Apple Watch 6 replacing the Series 5. Alternatively, Apple could keep the Series 5 around at a lower price. Update: a massive leak suggests the Apple Watch 6 will get a few long-awaited features, like sleep tracking, as well as more novel health-related additions, like monitoring blood oxygen levels, though it's unclear what hardware and software will make it possible. Ultimately, the Apple Watch 5 is the best model to buy in 2020. If you want the most flexibility, buy the LTE model. If you want an extra watch face, buy the Nike Plus Edition or Hermes Edition. For most users, the aluminum Apple Watch is a better option as it is cheaper, lighter and more resistant to scratches. Thanks for watching today's video and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Mr. F out.